I am Annie, and this is a guided meditation by Heal With You, where healing always starts with you. Before beginning your practice, please consult a medical professional to see if meditation is right for you. This meditation should never replace any medication, nor should it be used as a replacement for professional medical health. No one associated with Heal With You is a licensed medical professional. This meditation is a simple addition to any health regimen or protocol. If this meditation uproots any feelings of anxiousness or tension, please stop and return when more comfortable, or view the helpful numbers in the video description below for crisis resources. Lastly, please remember to never practice this meditation while driving or operating heavy machinery. Make sure all cellular phones are silenced, and you can find a safe, quiet space to relax for the duration of this meditation. After any output of high emotional energy, we can feel drained and both mentally and physically exhausted. We can also fear what we have said may have caused some damage, or we internalize the thoughts and they are still circulating in our minds. Those who experience panic attacks, paranoia, anxiety in any form, or depression are familiar with this feeling. It may seem that once a period of extreme emotions is over, that the skies will part and the sun will shine through. If only it were that simple. This meditation is a great way to help you catch your breath and regroup. It helps to calm your mind and truly process what may have caused the extreme emotions in the first place. It will leave you feeling validated, safe, and in control of your thoughts as best that it can, helping you to honor these feelings that your body sometimes has and understand them a little more. Take a moment to find your breath. Often in times of high emotional energy, this is the first thing we forget. This lack of oxygen can make the feeling more intense. It may feel difficult just now, but try to observe how your breath feels, flowing in and back out of your body. With each breath in, visualize your body becoming more and more calm. Feel the body relax more, and any remaining tension releasing from your body. If this seems difficult for you right now, honor your body for where it is in the moment, reminding yourself it's not physically possible for this feeling to last forever, and that once again your mind will be calm and still. If comfortable in this relaxed state, close your eyes and allow the body to fully relax into where you are laying. In this relaxed, comfortable state, notice any remaining thoughts passing through your mind. Your body has recently been in a heightened state of awareness, but now your body is relaxed. Give your mind a chance to catch up with your body by letting go of the thoughts that are irrelevant and the ones that no longer serve you in this moment. Let the thoughts remain that seem to hold a purpose, and visualize them like small, frail leaves that you're holding in your hand on a windy day. With each remaining thought, imagine you let it go and watch it blow away, far out of your sight, seeing it blend in with all the other leaves on the ground. And in doing so, forgetting altogether why you were holding on to it. If this seems difficult for you, that is perfectly fine. In time and with practice, you will learn this technique to let go of any ruminating thoughts. But for now, do the best that you can. With this clear state of mind and the calm body, imagine yourself somewhere safe, somewhere you would love to go, or somewhere you have been that brings you a feeling of joy and safety. This may be a beach, a park, a loved one's home, or somewhere you've never been before. Wherever this place is, allow yourself to go there in your mind. In this place, imagine you see something off in the distance. You decide to walk towards these items and notice there are 4 signs standing up on the ground. Each sign is visible when you approach it, and they are all distanced far enough that you cannot read more than one at a time. You approach the first sign and notice it reads, "I am in control of my thoughts, my mind, and my emotions." When you read this sign, you notice the feeling it leaves you with, and how it makes you feel in control of your thoughts and emotions. You visualize what it would feel like to be in complete control of your emotions, and remind yourself that it is very possible for you to feel this way. You remind yourself that everyone has strong emotions time and time again, and that it is perfectly normal to have these feelings. That the key is to try next time to remain in control, and know the signs when things begin to feel chaotic. You now walk away from the sign and already feel more calm and confident. You continue on until you approach the next sign and notice it says, "These feelings always pass." You notice how this makes you feel more calm than you already are, allowing your mind to know that although you may still feel a heightened sense of emotions right now, eventually these feelings will pass. Often, the sooner you allow yourself to know they will pass and honor how you feel right now, the more rapidly your body will indeed begin to calm, and the thoughts will begin to slow. Imagine how you feel once a panic attack, episode of paranoia, or any heightened sense of emotion passes. How you can feel the body begin to wind down and the breath and bodily functions start to slow. Allow yourself to visualize yourself in this state, even if it isn't possible in the moment. You walk away from this sign and begin to walk to the next. As you approach it, you notice it says, "I am a worthwhile person, and I have many great qualities." After you read the sign, you begin to think of all the good things you do for yourself and those around you. The ways you can bring joy to certain moments. The way you feel around your favorite people, and how you feel a sense of community and the ability to say anything on your mind with safety and ease. Allow these thoughts to calm the mind and leave you feeling a sense of validation and security. Allow yourself to feel proud and honored by the many great things that you do. You continue on and walk further towards the last sign. As you approach, you notice it says, "I am stronger than these periods of increased emotional output." As you read this, you remind yourself that you are in control of these thoughts at any time, and you are indeed stronger than them. That they are only thoughts, and we all have them. That you are not your thoughts, and your thoughts are not you. They are simply like strangers passing in and out of your life. Some may become friends and significant, while others are just people you see once and never see again. You do not need to fear these thoughts because you have control. Walk away from this final sign with a sense of control and purpose, knowing that you can calm the mind and the thought flow as best as you can. That none of these feelings is ever your fault, and it is simply your body's way of processing intense emotions. Remind yourself you're doing the best that you can. When you walk away from this last sign, you notice a garden ahead of you. This garden has a beautiful and majestic gate on the outside. When you approach this gate, you walk into the garden and notice the beautiful plants, flowers, and foliage. You have never seen somewhere as beautiful before. This feels like a sacred, safe space, and you feel at peace in this garden. You notice a bare space of land here, and you see a sign that has your name on it. When you pick up the sign and read it, it informs you that this is a space to plant your fears, anxious thoughts, anything hurtful you may have said, or any tensions that you have that can cause extreme emotions. Just like seeds, you can plant these thoughts here to be recycled into beautiful flowers and plants, bringing beauty into the things that once caused you distress. You notice that all the flowers and plants here were once other people's fears and anxious thoughts, and you trust in this process for your own thoughts. One by one, you plant the thoughts like seeds and watch them rapidly grow into your favorite plants and flowers. You feel a sense of accomplishment and pride for doing this work for you and your body. You notice in the garden there is a lounge. You are already exhausted after all this inner work, and you allow yourself to rest here. Within this moment of rest, you allow your mind to slowly come back to the present moment. You notice any sounds in the room, any scents, or the way the light feels as it hits your eyelids. You begin to gently open the eyes and take a long, deep breath in. And a long, deep breath out. If comfortable, you may stretch the arms above and move the body around gently, bringing sensation into your body and awakening your senses. When we can let go of the thoughts that remain in our minds after any time of increased emotional activity, we can begin to calm our minds and our bodies. Once in this calm state, we can think back on what upset us and what may have happened. Sometimes there's a significant reason, and sometimes we feel this way for no reason at all. But through practice, we can become more and more in control of how we process these emotions, noticing the signs of them approaching, and try to be in control as best as we can. Thank you for taking this time for you and your body. And remember, healing always starts with you. Please click like, share, or subscribe to us on YouTube. The more you do, the more it allows me to keep creating meditations for you. You can also follow us on our website at healwithyou.com or linked below, where you can subscribe to our newsletter. With this subscription, I can personally send you an email with the release of any new meditations. You can also follow us on Facebook for inspirational posts and new meditation announcements.